Tired of your emails landing in the spam folder? Let's supercharge your follow-up boss with SendGrid for killer email deliverability and engagement. First, log into your follow-up boss account. Navigate to the admin section, usually found in the top right corner by clicking on your profile picture, then select admin. Next, on the left-hand sidebar, find and click on integrations. This will take you to a page displaying all available integrations. Scroll down until you find the email settings section. Click to expand this section. You should see options related to your outgoing email configuration. Look for the Connect via SMTP or use custom SMTP server option. Enable this if it's not already enabled now. You'll need your SendGrid API key, which we'll get from your SendGrid account. Now, switch over to your SendGrid account in the SendGrid dashboard. Navigate to Settings, then API Keys. Click Create API Key. Give it a descriptive name like Follow-up Boss Integration, and grant it the necessary permissions. Typically full access or mail send. Make sure to copy the API key. You'll only see it once. Back in Follow-up Boss, paste your SendGrid API key into the designated field. You may also need to enter your SendGrid username, which is often a PyKey, and a dummy password. You'll also need the SMTP server and port details from SendGrid, which are typically SendGridNet for the server and 587 for the port. Fill those in. Finally, click the Save button to apply your changes. Follow-up Boss will likely send a test email to confirm the integration is working correctly. If successful, congratulations, you've integrated SendGrid with Follow-up Boss. Now you can enjoy improved email deliverability, track your email engagement, and build a stronger sender reputation. Happy emailing!